hello there. Mom Terry here along with her fabulous co-star, Miss Lucy. Yes, she is fabulous, isn't she? And Ma Terry was bad. Ma Terry went shopping again, and I want to show you what I bought, so hold on. Now, did this cost way too much money? This was $40 over at REI, and it's a Eureka Griddle. And basically, this is the cutting board on top, and the griddle's right there. So we're going to unpack it. And why are we doing this video now? Wait, let's see if I get this. Nope. Get it backwards every time, because I just did a video on my 2 stoves. So this is basically for the Eureka stove, but it says may fit other things. So we're going to check it out, all right? I love unboxing things. This is a little difficult, so I have my scissors. Yay! On the back, it shows that it works with all these stoves. So let's see if we can get lucky. All right, so the griddle is a non-stick ceramic cooking surface, and lightweight aluminum heats quickly and evenly. That's the big details from all the packaging. So it looks really good. So let's see. Got it almost out of the box. Yep. And remember, don't forget to read the instructions. So this is what it looks like. This is the cutting board that you flip over. And let me take it apart. Nice griddle, really nice. Nice little griddle. So we're gonna see what we can get going. Let's get cooking. All right, so first we have here my big butane stove. So let's just see. Oh, that's nice. Did you hear it snap in? Really, really good. All right, let's go over to the itty bitty gas one. Oh my gosh, that's wonderful. I probably can even Steven that a little bit more. I can. I think it's going to work on both. Really nice. Look at that surface. That surface looks really, really good for me. All right, now I haven't used it, but it fits on both of mine. I'm pleasantly happy. Okay, I can make pancakes with this. I love the surface. I can tell it's a really good surface. The only thing I didn't like about it, and this is minor, it's because I don't really, I design things in my own brain. Okay, so when you flip this around, I was hoping this would nest inside of that, so this would provide a good surface as a cutting board. So this is the cutting board, and it's separate than the griddle. That's okay. Design flaw, not really. I just think outside the box way too many times. All right, so let me find out the price. So the Eureka Griddle you can find over on Amazon or Eureka.com or Eureka Camping Supplies. Just go to Amazon. It's the same price. It's about $42. I love the bird chirping in the background. Now then, is it a splurge? Yes, it's a splurge, but I think it'll make my experience, my camping experience, a lot more fun. And I've been dying to make some really different types of pancakes, so this will be really fun. So splurge away if you want, but I think it's going to make a great addition to my cooking family. Alrighty, happy camping and happy cooking, and we will see you down the road.